Loud, sharp alert. Okay, are you new to IT? Or maybe you have been around for a bit but still feel like you are missing something. Well, today we are going to count down the 10 biggest mistakes that almost every single IT newbie makes. These are not just small oopsies. These are the kinds of errors that can bring down entire networks. They can make you lose critical data, or even cost your company thousands of dollars. We have seen it happen time and time again, and it is painful when the fixes are so simple. You might be making some of these mistakes right now without even realizing it. This is not just another boring list video. I am going to break down each mistake, show you exactly why it is so dangerous, and then give you the simple, actionable steps to fix it for good. From the passwords you use every day to the way you deploy new software, think of this as your ultimate cheat sheet to leveling up and avoiding common traps. We are starting at number 10, and working down to the biggest mistake. Trust me, you do not want to miss number 1. Are you ready? Let us dive in and fix these mistakes. Alright, number 10, something basic that many still get wrong, weak passwords. You see password 123 and think, no one uses that, right? Wrong. It is consistently in breach lists every year. Pet names, birthdays, simple words. It is like leaving your front door wide open. Attackers use tools trying billions of combinations per second. An 8-character lowercase password can be cracked almost instantly. Reuse that weak password and you trigger a domino effect across accounts. Fix it with long passphrases. Length and uniqueness matter most. Enable MFA wherever possible. Even with your password, attackers cannot get in. Audit passwords, use a manager, and turn on MFA everywhere. Coming in at number 9, ignoring backups, server crash, ransomware, or an accidental delete. What is your plan? No backup means no recovery. Hardware fails, power surges happen, and humans make mistakes. Follow 3-2-1, 3 copies, 2 media types, 1 offsite. Automate daily, even hourly for critical systems. Set it once. Let it protect you quietly. Backups are useless if you cannot restore. Test quarterly. Do not hope. No. Make backups non-negotiable. Automate, offsite, and test them. At number 8, ignoring updates. New vulnerabilities appear daily, and patches close those holes. Skipping patches leaves a known unlocked backdoor. Hackers scan for outdated systems. It is one of the easiest break-ins. Update OS, apps, browsers, databases, and website plugins. Everything is an entry point. Build a patching culture with scheduled maintenance. Test in staging first, then roll out to production. Use tools to track patch status across systems. Process beats panic. Keep it predictable. Please update your software. Number 7. Poor file organization. A digital wasteland wastes time and creates errors. People grab old versions. Critical configs go missing during outages. Disorganization compounds until nobody trusts the data. Create a clear hierarchy by department with consistent subfolders. Adopt a sortable, readable naming convention. Document the standard, train users, and enforce it politely. You will save time, prevent mistakes, and create a single source of truth. A clean file system is the foundation of an efficient IT environment. Number 6. Overlooking permissions. Adding users to broad groups or forgetting to revoke access creates unnecessary risk. If that account is compromised, attackers inherit wide access. Sensitive HR, financial, and customer data can be exposed. Adopt least privilege, no more, no less than needed. Use RBAC, grant access to roles, not individuals. Onboarding and offboarding become predictable and safe. Audit quarterly. Remove standing admin rights and stale temporary access. Good housekeeping shrinks the attack surface and prevents incidents. Number 5. Misconfiguring firewalls and services. A misconfigured firewall is a guard asleep on the job. The classic mistake: allow any plan to fix later, but later never comes. Defaults favor ease, not security. Change passwords, disable unused features. Adopt deny by default, then create specific allow rules. Source, destination, port, harden services before exposure. Patch and configure to best practices. Never put a default config system on the internet. Lock it down first. The difference between secure and easy target. Tighten rules today. Future, you will thank you. Number 4. Neglecting documentation. Setting things up without writing it down creates a single point of failure. If you are out, the team scrambles and outages worsen. Without docs, errors repeat and onboarding drags. Good documentation turns one-time effort into a reusable asset. Use a wiki and standard templates. Build sheets, diagrams, run books, SOPs. Start small. Write a KB after a fix. Document while you build. Documentation makes teams resilient and you more valuable. Pros document for long-term team success. Number 3. Using an admin account for daily tasks. Convenient, but like surfing the web with a nuclear bomb strapped to your chest, any malicious link or file inherits full admin privileges. That is how ransomware takes entire file servers. Use a standard, non-privileged account for everyday work. Elevate only when needed. Run as administrator or sudo. Do the admin task, then immediately drop back. This discipline is a hallmark of true IT professionals. Separation massively limits potential damage. The runner-up, skipping testing and staging, making changes directly in production is reckless and outage-prone. Time saved now is lost many times over in downtime. Even small changes can trigger big failures. Use a staging environment that mirrors production. CI/CD formalizes safe promotion only after tests pass. Test behavior under stress without risking customers. Never touch production without testing first. This one rule will save you from countless disasters. The number 1 mistake, relying solely on GUIs and ignoring the command line. The GUI is a guided tour. The CLI is the full map, with every back alley and shortcut. When the GUI freezes, you need another way around. Many critical tasks can only be done from the command line. Basics, like IP adder, ping, tail, and grep let you diagnose fast. Learn navigation, CD, LS, and PWD. View and search files with cat, less, and grep. CLI is the language of automation. Script repeatable steps and scale. Use elevation deliberately, never as your default. Every hour learning CLI returns tenfold in speed, capability, and career growth. The CLI is not optional, it is essential. And that is a wrap. We have counted down the top 10 IT mistakes. From weak passwords to neglecting backups to editing and production, you now know the traps to avoid. If you have been making these mistakes, do not feel bad. We have all been there. The important thing is you have the knowledge and steps to fix them. Build better habits and level up. Be disciplined, security conscious, think big picture, document your work, and use the right tool, GUI or command line. Avoid the Big 10, and you build a foundation that serves your entire career. If you found this countdown helpful and want more practical advice, make sure you are subscribed. Visual, subscribe now. Please subscribe to my channel Text for more YouTube videos.